Very good morning, my friend. Most welcome in my channel. We are coming back again with some scientific news updates, and in this video, in the last sections, we will discuss about scholarship position in the different part of university. If you really want to go for the higher education, either master or PhD, then definitely watch this video up to end. Let's start. The fat, body fat, human fat. Why we will go for this type of problems in our human society? Most of the peoples are nowadays are facing such problems. It increases up to 14 to 31% within the 10 to 20 years, whereas in the primates, who those we live are our ancestors, are less than 9%. What the reason why we are going to these sections? This has been known for a while, but recent studies suggest that some DNA activities are also responsible for making our body become fattier as compared to later previous primitive age type. This why our body system, why this DNA is become behaving like this. We will discuss about this in the recent study. This is found that this is a very recent study. They found that primates have two types of cells. One is the white fat cells, store the lipid cells, and brown fat cells, which store the better changing of this fat into the energy rather than the storing it. There is two type of cells. One is the white cells and that is the brown fat cells. So white cells is only storing for the fat, while the brown cells responsible for the converting of this fat into the energy. The researchers found that DNA for this brown fat is more inactive. This is the reason. These brown fat cells, body cells, their DNA is inactive. They are not very capable to activate the fat converting into the energy in the humans. They are find that in the human activity cells as compared to the fat primate cells. So these are the main reason showing that our body systems is facing such problems, where the most of researchers found the 780 region of DNA where the accessible genomic cells in the primates were coiled up. Therefore the switch off in human cells. These brown fat cells are present in the 780 region of the DNA are the inactive. They are not capable of going to this. You can read this paper, comparative analysis of chromatin landscape in white adipose tissue, suggested that human may be less beginning potential and other are the genomic disease. Such type of things we can discuss in these sections. In the short summary, we know this recent study find out that there is a type of the cells in body system, they can help to maintain your body fat or not. Now we are coming in the next one. The researchers have developed a catalog of DNA mutation that can be used to pinpoint environmental cause the patient tumors. There is type of the DNA catalogs where you can analyze which part of the DNA is responsible for the development of the tumor or cancer, and this technique is called the whole genome sequencing. Incredibly, and the technique whole genome sequence incredibly precise and identify individual having the tobacco mosaic. Tobacco cause the smoking diseases, not tobacco mosaic viruses. This is also tobacco. Is some person is smoking so much, they are facing the problems of this type of the things. Yeah, maybe their genomes become altered or responsible for causing the any type of the disease like tumors, any other things of the diseases. Now we are coming in the later section. Section is the scholarship section, Scotland scholarship section. If you are going to study in the Scotland regions, any university in the Scotland, not only the Glasgow, Edinburgh, Admire, Glasgow, another part of the Glasgow, different part of the Scotlands like West Scotland, South University, and Dundee University. There is a lot of university in the Scotland. If you really want to go for the master program, this scholarship only for the master programs. You go for Scottish government scholarship position, where you can find this scholarship, and this scholarships have so many other options to apply before you need to go for the master programs. This scholarship have the limitation 50 scholarships only, and the last date is 31st July. In this month, last July, you can go apply in the all section where you really want to go for the study. There is applicable for all the most of the sections: science, technology, creative industries, healthcare, medical sciences, renewable and clean energy, Scotland Saltaire Scholarship 2020. They cover most of things you in master degree. So hope you like and enjoy my video. Thank you so much for giving your times. Please subscribe my channel if you really like. If you think it's good for you, you also want to share with your friends, then definitely share with your friends. I'm most humble and requesting to you, please think for your betters and our friend circles and join me. We will discuss later in the evening times some microbiology chapters where we started. Thank you so much for watching again.